Guys, welcome to Easton Model Bio. In this video, I will be talking about Emma, biography, wiki, age, career, social handle and net worth. If you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the new updates. Emma, also known as Gemma, is a German model, Instagram star, and TikTok star. She is known for posting close-ups, modeling, mini vlogs, fashion outfits, and lip-sync content on social media. Emma joined Instagram in 2018. Since then, she decided to pursue a modeling career on social media. She posts her modeling content regularly on Instagram. In addition, she also posts content about fashion outfits, close-ups, try-on hauls, and lifestyle. Apart from Instagram, she also has a TikTok account which is used to post interesting video content such as mini vlogs, lip sync, dancing, POV, and many others. Sarah is a closed woman who does not want to share her personal life information with the public. Therefore, it is not known whether she is dating or not. Her net worth is around $100,000 to $1 million, which she earned from her modeling profession. She also earns from endorsements and brand promotions. Thanks for watching.